Atokpolo, ati konko. What differences?
Darling, once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of Commotion. Creating practical solutions. Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, pollution. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji House of Commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. And everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atokpolo, ati konko. What differences?
My sweet chocolate.
Yes, dear.
Alone, looking at your eyes.
Honey, don't worry. I promise to always keep myself looking just for you.
I could not even concentrate on reading my newspaper just because of the smell of your aromatic perfume.
You know what? Maybe you need to buy me more assorted bottles of perfume.
I hope you are not trying to ask me for money to buy more perfume because I don't have. I don't have.
You know it is all for you. Honey, you know what? I want you to go and take a hot bath, okay? When you come out, your breakfast will be waiting for you.
Good. My sweet sister Kudi Kado.
Sheep, my candy floss on the rocks.
Lagos is rat is Lagos. Both of them are married happily.
That's not true. When we first packed in there were no rats. Then first your people, and now that scumbag Alika have now imported rats into my ratless Eden. Chief, just come and do something about this rat, both human and otherwise.
Until then. But please, Carol, come down from that chair.
No.
Come down! Don't come down from that chair. Carol, don't break that chair. Come down!
Honey, come. Honey.
Come down from the chair. Don't break it.
Children, I hope you enjoy your food. Children, what's matter?
Mommy Ireti gave us 2 slices of bread and colored water.
Ireti, give them more bread.
Mommy, silver and gold have I none. What I have, I give.
One chicha. Why is it that whenever you cook in this house, if it is not the name of your food, it is the color. If it's not the color, then it is the size or game name. Hey, Ireti, if I catch your neck with this my hand, I will squeeze.
Power. Why don't you go and become a female wrestler or boxer?
Ireti, give them more bread.
Yes, when will I get the money to buy it, mommy? When her husband has been kidnapped and kept in high place. Since people has rendered him deaf, dumb and blind now, that Madam Pussycat is really using strong English upon him. Ole! Don't finish shit for me because my week will soon start. Ole! Husband snatch.
Don't mind her. Is that the reason you want to starve the children to death? Ireti.
Artificial yellow papa. Sure your week will soon start. We shall see what you have to offer.
Hey, you won't try me. I will cook better okra and ogbono soup with assorted meat, stockfish, cow leg, and bush meat. If me peace you want to try.
Hey, momistic mommy.
My dear, don't worry, it will soon be my week, eh?
Okay.
Don't worry.
Where shall I see you? Ireti, give us food. Where shall I see you? I will never forget for more. Oh, ever. Oh, ever. Oh, ever. Oh, ever. Where shall I see you? Ireti, give us bread. Where shall I see you? I will never forget for more.
Block it there. Don't let it block it. Yes, sir. Block it. Don't let it go in the face. Yes, sir. Cut it. Cut it. Hey, this is meat.
Why are you pursuing Ola with a cutlass? I'll give you one.
Me? Pursuing a parrot? Oh. I was only hunting my bushmeat, which ran into your house. Which way did it go?
It was only the giant Lagos rat that ran in here.
There, want to go? You want to take? You and your people want to take my bushmeat? You will not have it, yo. You will not have it. If I do not get that meat, if I do not get that bushmeat today, which God has given me free of charge this morning, some of you will go to heaven and explain it to him.
Do you?
Okay. Okay, let us discuss it, Jojo.
Discuss what, Alika? Discuss it, Kenne. Whoa. This is last time you come into this house and oppression us.
Yes.
In our house. Shut up. Last time.
Biko, let us discuss my bushmeat.
What meat, Biko?
The one that ran in here with one parrot.
It was only a rat, not any bushmeat.
What is a bushmeat and that is not rat? If I clean and roast it, a giant rat, you will buy it as a bushmeat.
Mom, is it true?
Rat, yo, rabbit, yo. Just clean it and roasted it in fire. You won't know which is which.
I will never ever eat bushmeat ever again in my life. Hey, please though, all these Okoro people, when you enter the kitchen, don't use all the bush rat to cook. Bishi, you too. Why should you be cooking with rats?
When I cook my soup, don't eat inanu, because I will always cook my soup with bushmeat.
Watogo, which way did it go?
Kitchen.
Bogini! You are not Bogini.
I'm going to kill our bushmeat, you know.
Because you know, kill what? Which meat in our kitchen?
Oh, you want to take my bush meat now, Ekwa? Okay, you will pay me 2,000 naira.
2,000 naira.
Bumper.
So. It's too cheap now. Take 10,000.
Is that not what you will pay me if I clean and roast it for you?
Alika.
What?
Rat that is roaming the whole of Lagos streets. You want us to pay? If you don't catapult yourself out of this house right now, we will turn you into a big giant bushmeat.
Soldier ant! Look, I want to. Where is Chief? Where is Chief? Let me report you to Chief before I teach you that it is dangerous to stand between a man and him bushmeat.
Chief, Chief is up in Aso Rock. Boss, to Aso Cage.
Chief has gone to Abuja.
Bam! He has gone to see the president.
The Chief has gone to see the president.
Please, children, come and go to school so that you won't be late.
Chief has gone to Abuja. To see the president.
Chief is out here.
He's in the upper chair. Oh, with a new wife.
And
the man will enjoy you.
Alika, what did you just say? Alika.
The woman is there, can't wait.
Alika, what did you just say?
I said the woman is beautiful. Oh God, who don't like a better thing?
Alika, you're a man, only fila were. Alapa photo lójú kan.
That's how you like it, pass me. Head lamp, a fine pass it to off.
Darling.
Chief! Chief!
Alika, what do you think you are doing?
You're doing Christmas for my eye. I go like it to be in your kind of a cage, yo.
I beg you, friend. Who says I'm in the cage?
Before you beg if you soldier ant, you owe me 2,500 naira.
2,500.
For what? 500 naira for all the insults that your wife them take to baptize me, and then 2,000 naira for my bush meat that ran into your house that your family have thieved.
Papa, it was a very rat Lagos rat.
Did I hear you say a rat?
Yes.
Can go. It is only a rat.
Honey, I can't stand this rat.
I will buy a trap to catch all the stupid rats that have entered this house.
Yeah. What? A trap? What if it doesn't catch the rats today?
Then it will catch it tomorrow. Or do you want me to start running after a rat?
Honey, don't you know that rats have fleas?
Please.
Yes. And they cause typhus fever.
There is trouble in primary 3.
Don't mind the fake ajebota. Can you see your life? Typhus fever. Hey, oh no, Dorabata. It is called typhoid fever.
Your brain is dead. Ignoramus. Calling TYPHUS typhoid. As I was saying, honey, typhus and not typhoid is caused by fleas and they live on rats. Honey.
But hey, that is what is worrying you last week.
It is you that typhus will worry. It is you.
Baby boy, while we're here chit-chatting, the rat is busy moving around the whole house, spreading disease all around. Maybe it's overnight is suicidal.
Suicide?
I didn't want to scare you, honey. But typhus fever is very, very deadly.
And what are we going to do now?
Hello. Typhus fever is very, very deadly.
And what are we going to do now?
Hello. Yes, my name is Mrs. Carol Fuji. Shh. I need your services right away. Yes. My address is number 24 Fuji Drive, Egbepele Close, Aja Phase 2 by Lekki. Just take a left turn right, take another left, round the corner, go straight, and that is the street. Number 24. 24, are you there? 24, yes, right away, please. Right away, I'll be waiting. Thank you. Yeah.
What is the next thing to do now?
Honey, fumigation is the answer.
Fumigale. Rodanta. What it means?
Mommy, fumigation.
What's that?
Fumigation. Honey, fumigation is, getting rid of all the pests and rats and rodents in the house and making sure that the house is disease-free.
Education is power. Fumigation also means disinfect.
Open the door and let me come in and kill it, collect and the roast.
Fuck and go. Inuma.
Senior, don't mind her. Don't mind her. All this rat story is an excuse to jump on chief. Rat fumigate, jump on chief. Rat fumigate, jump on chief. Nonsense husband snatcher.
Look, whether fumigate or fumigate, you people will pay for my rat, you.
Alika, don't worry. When they fumigate the rats, then you can pack all of them. Abi?
It's not okay. See now. I'm not focusing. That's good.
Alika, bye.
Come. The way rat worries Carol in this house is not normal. Are you sure you are not evil?
I will not dignify you.
Confess, Joe. I like Jenny. Mommy, dignify you, cognify you, tell us. Yes. Why does rat worry you so much?
I will not dignify 3 witches with an axe.
Look at you. Darling.
Who is that?
Good afternoon, sir. Is this Chief Fuji's house?
I am Chief Fuji.
And I am Chief Mrs. Carol Fuji.
When did you become Chief Mrs. Bikopan?
Please, just go right ahead, go inside and fumigate the house. Make sure you get rid of all the rodents, both human and other.
You say? Please help us kill all the rats and cockroaches and other things.
No problem, Chief. But everybody must evacuate the building right away.
This is in order to give the guys enough time to do justice to any pet that we found in the building.
For how long?
Let's say for a couple of hours. Besides, the gas is not good for human to inhale.
What that mean?
They say all of us must go out of the house when the gas is working.
Me, I go to shop.
Mama. Carol, you see what you have done. You two should be fumigated out of this house.
Husband kidnapper. After putting Chief in the cage, you want to put us, all of us there to Abi? Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't finish Chief for me. Let my baby know his father.
Gentlemen, carry on.
Sule!
Yes, ma'am.
Sule, come! You will follow these people to my flat. Okay, ma'am. When they finish, close the door.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't touch anything down.
Yes, ma'am.
But open this gate for me. Okay, ma'am.
Where do you think you're going?
You are not going anywhere unless this car will continue with us.
Bam.
Chief, I beg, tell these men to give me the meat where they finish.
I beg you, friend Alika. You should pay for the fumigation because those rats belong to you.
If you do not fumigate, your hot baby will not sleep well in this house because of typhus. As for me and the typhus don't the quarter since long time in Moriva because of Lagos rats and my savior. As for me, our relationship don't take. They live in my house and I get a supply of plenty vitamin K as I dey chop them. So no shaking. No shaking.
Hey. Laughing jackass. See, you will not go and remove all your food stuff before rat poison finish them. Abi?
That's true.
Take out the house, yo.
Hey! This man has tricked us.
Why are you knocking the gate? You go go. Okay. You will come and meet us. I think
that you will tell her to sit coded.
You will use that.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of Commotion. Preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, pollution. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji House of Commotion. Catering